It's gonna be hard to do this next song. I'm not sounding myself. I don't feel myself, but I just want to do. I just want to do one song, and I'm sure you guys already know. But the reason why I'm upset is my dog, who I shouldn't say he was my favorite, but he was my favorite, and he passed away. And, I just want to do this song for him because we used to always listen to Fleetwood Mac together. It's his favorite song to go on runs to. So I want to do this song for Floyd. The song is Landslide.
And I saw my reflection in snow-covered hills till the landslide down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Looking at a child in my heart. Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I make those seasons of my life? Will I be free? Changing, 'cause I've been my life. Skip over and children in I'm getting older too. I'm getting older. Will I be free of changing? 'Cause I built my life around you. But time is older, children get older, and I'm getting older too. Yeah, I'm getting older. Turn around, and if you see my reflection, snow-covered hills, like the landslide down. And if you see my reflection, snow-covered hills. Thank you. Thank you guys so much.